Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be talking about Mendelian disorders. So let's get started. So what are Mendelian disorders? Well, genetic conditions caused by mutations in a single gene, inherited in a predictable pattern according to Mendel's laws, are Mendelian disorders. It can be autosomal or sex-linked, dominant or recessive, and is often diagnosed by pedigree analysis or genetic testing. Coming to types of Mendelian disorders can be of four types: autosomal dominant, autosomal recessive, X linked recessive, and X linked dominant. What is autosomal dominant disorder? Well, when only one copy of mutant gene is needed for the disorder to happen, then it is known as autosomal dominant disorder. Affected individuals usually have one affected parent, and the examples of autosomal dominant disorder are Marfan syndrome, Huntington's disease, and familial hypercholesterolemia. Autosomal recessive disorders, when two copies of mutant gene are needed for the disorder, then it is known as autosomal recessive disorder. In this, parents are usually carriers and asymptomatic, but kids have the disease because they inherit two copies of mutant gene. And the examples of this are cystic fibrosis, phenylketonuria, sickle cell anemia, and Tay-Sachs disease. Most X-linked disorders are X-linked recessive and therefore affect males much more frequently than females. This disease is transmitted by asymptomatic heterozygous female carriers to male offsprings who have only one X chromosome. Sons of heterozygous women have one chance in two of receiving the mutant gene. An affected male does not transmit the disorder to sons, but all daughters of affected males are carriers. Because males have only one dose of the most X-linked genes, defects in the X-linked genes are likely to produce disease in males. The examples are hemophilia A and B, Duchenne muscular dystrophy, and color blindness. In X-linked dominant disorders, one copy of mutant gene on X chromosome is sufficient. It affects both the sexes, more severe in males though. Examples are Rett syndrome and Fragile X syndrome. So, talking about the summary of Mendelian disorders are of four types: autosomal dominant, autosomal recessive, X linked recessive, and X linked dominant. Autosomal dominant, one copy is inherited, and there is vertical transmission, and one of the examples is Marfan syndrome. In autosomal recessive disease, two copies are inherited. The key feature is it skips generations, and the example is cystic fibrosis. X-linked recessive is X-linked, and in this, more males are affected, and one of the examples is hemophilia A. X-linked dominant is also X-linked, and it affects the males more severely, and one of the example is Rett syndrome. So now let's do some MCQs. So the first question is, which of the following shows vertical transmission in a pedigree? Autosomal recessive, X-linked recessive, autosomal dominant, or mitochondrial? As I have told in you the previous slide that there is autosomal dominant which has characteristic vertical transmission in a pedigree. So the answer is C, autosomal dominant. Second question is, pedigree analysis is useful in identifying A, infectious disease, B, environmental disease, C, genetic disease, and D, autoimmune disease. Well, the answer is simple here. It is C, genetic disorders. Next question is, Fragile X syndrome is caused due to autosomal dominant mutation, X-linked dominant mutation, autosomal recessive mutation, or X-linked recessive mutation. The answer to it is X-linked dominant mutation. So the option B is correct here. Next question, which of the following is not a Mendelian disorder? Thalassemia, Down syndrome, Huntington's disease, or phenylketonuria? The answer here is Down syndrome because it is not a gene disorder but a chromosomal disorder. Here there is trisomy 21, as you all know. Next question, a male with an X-linked recessive disorder usually inherited the gene mutation from A, his father, B, his mother, C, both parents, D, none of the above. as it is X-linked recessive disorder. So as I have told in the lecture, it is from the mother. So he has inherited the gene mutation from his mother. The answer is B. Well, genetic diseases are a very complex topic, and I hope this video was useful for you all. Do read your books and try to then see the video. You will understand the topic better. Thank you, and bye for now.